Welcome to the Dark Forklift Parts channel. Nice to meet you all. This is my first video introducing our company's products. I hope you don't mind my introduction. Let's get started. There are some of our repair kits for Heli and Honda forklifts, including various kinds of linkage repair kits, also called horizontal and vertical connecting rod repair kits. Today, I will showcase these two boxes. Other kits are featured in my short video. Please check it out if you are interested. These kits are for the Heli Electric forklift trunks. This one is for 3-ton models. This one is for 2-ton models. For the 2-ton Heli Electric forklift, the kit includes one horizontal and vertical connecting rod, two connecting rod pins, two spherical plain bearings, two split pins. It's a simple, repair-friendly formula. Now for the 3-ton electric forklift, the kits, including the parts mentioned above, plus two grease fittings, two screens, two screen washers, two spring washers. However, it doesn't require the split pin for assembly. Please note, different forklift models may use different repair formulas. However, this isn't absolute. Some models share the same steering axle assembly design, so they can use identical repair kits. Thank you for watching this Dark Forklift Parts video. If you are interested or need more details, please contact me. It will be my honor to assist you further.